What is the common concern of international clients? Hi guys, welcome to another insightful episode of Haplast channel, and today we are addressing a common concern that many international clients face when dealing with overseas suppliers: the worry that the supplier may not exist. It's understandable for customers to be cautious, especially when dealing with international suppliers. The fear of dealing with a non-existent supplier can be a significant roadblock. At Haplast, we want to put those concerns to rest. Established nearly 20 years ago, we have been a trusted name in this industry. Our state-of-art facilities, certification, and dedicated team testify to our existence and commitment. We believe in transparent communication. We regularly engage with our clients through online meetings, video calls. This not only fosters a sense of trust, but also ensures that our clients can connect with us in real time. We also invite clients to our manufacturer and office, witnessing firsthand our dedication to quality and reliability. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied clients have to say. Their success stories and positive feedback reflect the results of Haplast's commitment to excellence. At Haplast, we understand the concern of our international clients, and we are here to address them. Trust is the foundation of every successful partnership, and we are committed to build that trust. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Haplast channel.